Hey everyone, this is Howard from Aorus, and today we'll be unboxing the Aorus 17 YE5 gaming laptop. This is one of the most premium gaming laptops we have to offer with the Intel 12th Gen i7 processor and RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. The Aorus 17 actually has a slimmer chassis with a 90% screen-to-body ratio. The 17-inch display is designed on a 15-inch chassis, which actually results in a 13% smaller footprint over last year's model. Before we continue, we notice a lot of you who watch these unboxing videos aren't subscribed yet, so be sure to hit subscribe and click that notification bell. Okay, now back to the unboxing. My favorite part about this laptop is its outstanding display. You get a lot of real estate with its 17-inch panel, and it feels larger thanks to its 3mm thin bezels. The Aorus 17 features a 360Hz refresh rate that offers smooth visuals for gamers. The webcam is designed on the top this time, and you can log in through face recognition through Windows Hello. Of course, you still get our per-key RGB keyboard and a 25% larger trackpad. For ports on the right, we have the audio combo jack, USB 3.2, Thunderbolt 4, which is a new addition, and the DC in. On the left side, you have the Ethernet port, HDMI 2.1, mini DP 1.4, and another USB 3.2. The Aorus 17 supports Intel Wi-Fi 6E, which supports 6 GHz bandwidth. And for audio, you're gonna get realistic and natural sound with DTS X Ultra. Now, inside the laptop, you can see our WindForce Infinity cooling design, which contains 2 large fans, 5 heat pipes, and copper heat fins. The Aorus 17 YE5 supports 2 DDR5 4800 MHz memory sticks and up to 2 PCIe Gen 4 SSDs. Users who want to upgrade can easily do so through the additional slots that are found right next to the cooling solutions. The Aorus 17 is one of the most premium gaming laptops that we have to offer. It's designed with the latest specs, including its 360Hz display that is perfect for gamers on the go. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Aorus 17 YE5. If you're interested in the product, please check out the link in the description. If you like these type of videos, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below on what product we should unbox next. And be sure to check out our other unboxing videos here. We'll be back every Thursday to unbox a new Aorus product. This is Howard from Aorus signing off. We'll see you in the next one. Team up and fight on.